Before you conquer the world, master yourself. Your mind is a garden, your habits are seeds, your choices are water, your character the harvest. Divine wisdom, guide my mind. Divine will, strengthen my purpose. Divine power, strengthen my hands. Love, open my heart. Compassion, teach me to lift others. Rise, rise, rise to greatness.
For the mountain, but the mountain was inside. I was looking for the kingdom, but the kingdom was my mind. Every failure is a teacher, every struggle makes me strong. I will learn, I will grow, I will find where I belong. SIMUKA mwana, SIMUKA, Usatya nzira yako, Dzidza kuziva moyo wako. Ramba uchifamba mberi, kuzitora ndiko kukunda.
Usope moyo wako kunzira kuzidziwa weka mpamvu yako itaonekera zeru zitsogolere mtima chikondi chikale njira ukagwa utandizidwe ukaima tandiza ena
Fuka, fuka, nzira, SHONA, konda, tandiza, chokolotita limanga.
Mwana fuka na munza chavindela yawena tivanta mulonga nzeni donza tiselaka mihanzori klangani savanu mchembo uwinyi kama timba loko huwapuka loko ulasekeri wajonza
Fuka, fuka, vumunduku itabiaka. Fuka mwana fuka ni mchembo, fuka ni liranzo, fuka ni itamu, jonza tiela, akalela. Fuka, fuka, SIMUKA. Fuka, 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 rise. Different languages, one time, different nations, one future, different gifts, one purpose, Antibella.
Listen, listen, young warrior, listen, young queen. You don't need a crown to know what you mean. Master your temper, master your mind, master your habits, leave fear behind. Don't chase likes, don't beg for fame. Build your character, strengthen your name. Read more books, develop your skill. Learn entrepreneurship, learn how to build. Learn agriculture, science and technology. Create opportunities, strengthen community. If you fall, get up. If you fail, learn. If you win, stay humble, let wisdom return. Greatness ain't clothing, followers are gold. Greatness is